Welcome. In front of me is a STK LIFE 9, and today I will show you how you can add photos to any kind of contact in your phone. So to get started, let's open up our contacts application, and in here apparently we have no contact, so I'm just gonna create a fake contact right here. Just make some number. Save, and there we go. We have Joe Mama. I almost typed in correct number, but whatever. So from here, once you have your contact, what you want to do is, if those contacts already exist, obviously you will need to tap on the three dots, and here we should have edit. Never mind, we don't. We have right here edit. So once you go to edit, you will see this cute field right here where you can simply tap to either take a photo. So this will open up a camera, as you can see. So you can take a photo on the go. Or, going back to this, we can tap and choose one from our photo gallery, which is empty in my opinion. And just to have something to actually find in that photo gallery, I'm just going to create a screenshot. And now when we go back in here, there we go. You can see there's the screenshot. So I could choose that if I wanted to. So any kind of downloaded image or a photo or screenshots even can work. There we go. So once you select it, it allows you to crop it into a specific position, move it around if it's somewhere where you don't want it to be. If it doesn't, for instance, select a face. And from there, select save a copy. Select save. And there we go, you can see that there's the image. So that is how you add a photo to your contact. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.